Hey, good morning. Paul McMahon here with Forex Smart Trade. It is Thursday, May 14th, 2024, 6:30 in the morning. So glad you could join me so bright and early. Here at Forex Smart Trade, we help people become profitable, consistent currency traders. We do that a couple different ways. Way number one is we will just give you a couple trades every day that you can copy, and at the end of the month, your account will have grown, and you will have more money than you had at the beginning of the month. Second is some people are looking for a change, want to change what they're doing and become a currency trader. I've been trading for 9 years, and we can teach you to do that using our proprietary trading indicators, which I am going to show you in just a second. We will train you. We are very good at it. We've been doing it for a while now. And we are so confident we can make you profitable that once we've trained you, we'll let you trade with our money. So with that, let's go ahead and take a look and see. We need to listen to this guy, and then we'll see what the market has.
Due to federal and state regulations, we are providing the following disclosure. Please stay tuned, as this will take less than a minute. Foreign exchange, futures, and cryptocurrency trading are highly risky, and you can lose all the money you invest should you decide to engage in live trading. We are not responsible for your investment, trading, or tax decisions. We are not licensed financial advisors, traders, accountants, stockbrokers, or attorneys. We are not licensed commodities brokers and do not engage in or facilitate commodities transactions. We are not an introducing broker, and we make no recommendation as to where you should invest or what broker you should trade with. As you apply what you learn, we recommend you seek advice from licensed professionals. Any trade results that we show should not be considered typical of our students. We do not and cannot track the results or performance of our students' private trading accounts. We do not know what a typical or average student earns or loses trading. This is not a get-rich-quick program, guaranteed system, or business opportunity. We sell training and trading tools. We make no promises our training or tools will generate future income for students, and you may not make your investment back, including your investment in this training. Any redistribution or recording of this material is strictly prohibited without advance written permission.
One of the ways that we show how good we are at what we do is by doing these live trades to give you demonstration. You can't hide anything when you're trading live. During the summertime, when I am around, I do a live trade on Tuesday and Thursday mornings at 6:30. The company does a live trade at 9:30. I also do send out a trade at around 4:15, the overnight trade setup. Again, when I am around, sometimes kind of a busy schedule. And then if you are a member, we do live trades in the morning at 10, live trades in the afternoon at 6. And then we have lots of training sessions. We are big believers in continuous improvement and constant improvement and constantly staying on top of your game, which means continuing to work on the fundamentals, even though you're good at them, and having a mentor and getting feedback while you're trading. And you get that with us because you're trading our money. We're keeping an eye on what you're doing because we don't want you to lose our money. So with that, I got a little checklist that I go through during the session. During the session, I generally don't take questions, but questions are how you get better, and that's how we provide great service. So if you have questions, get on my calendar, go to forexsmarttrade.com/schedule. If you want to get the alerts from both me and the company, anywhere from 1 to 4 trades a day, you can sign up at alerts.forexsmarttrade.com. It's $99 a month. Last year, they had an 85% return, and the first month's guaranteed. If you don't like it, not happy, we'll give you your money back. If you need to get a hold of me, you can try. Here's my number. But generally, I'm one of these time management guys. So when I am doing something, I am focused on doing what I am doing, and I don't interrupt for calls. So you're better to get on my calendar where you have me booked on a specific time. If you are using our green charts, refresh them every day. It keeps them fresh, keeps them fast, picks up any updates. If you are already trading, one of the things that should be part of your repertoire is actually to go back and look at the trades that didn't go the way you thought and figure out why. That incremental learning again is helpful to improving and getting that consistency ratio up. We are technical traders. We are trading based on the price action, but the news also impacts currency prices. So we want to know what those news events are so that we can trade around them. I like to find them at forexfactory.com. Forexfactory.com breaks news down into actually 4 categories. One is yellow, low impact, orange, so we ignore these. Orange, medium impact, I tend to ignore these. Red is high impact. These are guys I want to trade around. And this morning at 7:30, we've got retail sales numbers coming out. I don't like to trade within a 2-hour window of the news event because I don't want to be holding a position when this comes out because it could spike, and then that ends up the potential of randomly stopping us out. And we've got an issue today. I don't know what the bank holiday is, but it's a bank holiday in Europe. French banks are closed, German banks are closed, and Swiss banks are closed. I wonder if it tells us what the bank holiday is. A session day. I don't even know what that is, but I don't like to trade pairs on bank holidays because the bank holiday throws off the normal trading volume. And when the normal trading volume is off, our indicators could be a little skewed. So we are somewhat limited in what pairs we're going to be available to trade today. Looks like we just have the pound and the yen. Everything else is kind of off limits. So with that, the trade I am going to do, we've got a dozen different signals depending on how you like to trade. Usually when we work with someone, we will design a trade plan based on when you are trading and your risk preferences. This is the one that I like. It's called the 10-point trade. I like to trade off of a 1-hour chart, although you'll see that the overnight trade is on a day chart. On a 1-hour chart, trades are worth anywhere from 5 to 35 pips. I generally don't like to take trades for less than 11 pips, and I look to get in and out within 1 to 3 hours. And if I can get a couple trades a day, I am doing terrific. So with that, let's take a look and see what we've got. Chart I am going to be trading off of is the Light 6 Major. It's one of our standard charts. It is a composite chart. It's showing me 6 different currency pairs, in this case, all on a 1-hour time frame. And there are 3 parts to the chart. This middle section is what we call the majors and minors. This top section is called the TNTs. This bottom section is called the pressure. And the goal on this trade is to, each section is measuring something different. And basically I want the lines, the majority of the lines from all 3 sections to be going in the same direction. And then I've got a good trade. Now, I start with the majors and minors. Red and green line is the major indicator. Black and gray is the minor indicator. Horizontal red line is horizontal blue line is the overbought line. Horizontal red line is the oversold line. I'm looking for situations where we started out oversold and all the lines are going down. You can see the big red candle. Or oversold and the lines are going up, big green candle. So here we're oversold and going down. Can you make money taking a trade, being oversold and going down? Yes, you can, but it's just not part of my trade plan. It's not what I'm looking for. So if I don't see what I need here, I don't need to look at the rest of the chart. Euro USD. Now I said we're not going to trade both the Euro or the USD. we're just going to take a look at it just so that you can identify what the signal is, so that if you see it, you can take it. So here, oversold, majors are sideways. I want these all going up. Pound USD, we started oversold. We've got everybody going up, but I really want to have what I call a double cross. I want the green line above the red line, and it is just touching the red line here. I want it to have crossed over. Like here you see the red line, it's going down, and the red line is above the green line. Here where it's going up, I want the green line above the red line, and it's not. Dollar, Canadian dollar, we are just reaching overbought, so we're going to pass. A dollar Swiss franc. Again, we got a holiday on in Switzerland. Everybody's going down, but again, we don't have the cross that I'm looking for, where the red line is clearly on top. It's kind of a little bit, but the other thing I look for is what the slope of this green line is, and I want it better than 45 degrees, and it's not. Dollar yen. We're kind of sideways here, overbought and sideways, so nothing there. I've cloned this chart. Let's go and take a look. We've got non-US pairs. Euro pound. We started overbought. Everybody's going down. I've got the double cross. And I've got good steepness on the green line. I've got 3 of the 4 here. Thick orange is coming down, telling me sell. 2 blues are going up. When blue goes up, that means sell. So I got 3 of the 4 here. I've got up pressure, but I've got the red on top. So this is kind of a good signal, but it's with the euro. So I don't want to trade the euro today because it's a bank holiday. Australian dollar, yen. Because we're trading on a 1-hour chart, it's evening in both of these markets right now. So I want one of the markets to be actively trading. So we're going to pass. We don't have a good signal anyways. Euro Canadian, this is good signal. I like this signal here. Oversold. Everybody's going up, double cross. Terrific steepness on the green line. 2 orange lines going up, dotted blue coming down. So 3 of the 4 here. I've got sideways pressure with green on top. When the green line's on top, that gives me a point. So again, another good signal here, but I'm not going to go. There's a second step to confirm the signal. I'm not going to go to the second step because I want to see if we can find a trade. Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, oversold, kind of sideways here. We don't have the double cross. Pound yen. This is something we could trade, but we don't have a good signal. Majors going down, minors going up, so we don't have agreement. Euro Australian dollar, overbought going up, nothing there. So let's go to the next page. We've got 6 more pairs. Oh, Canadian dollar, yen. Everybody's going down, double cross. We started out overbought. Terrific steepness on the green line. Our only issue here is the green line is almost is oversold. If this were halfway, usually my rule is about halfway. If the green line is about halfway, I'll consider it. Once it goes more than halfway, it's a little too much for me. So I am going to pass. But this, if we caught this a little earlier, maybe. It looks like we're sitting on a resistance line here. See how the red and green candles are all kind of stopped at the same spot. But again, let's see if we can find something we can trade. Euro New Zealand. This is not a bad signal. Oversold. Everybody's going up. Double cross. Green lines at the halfway mark. 2 orange lines going up. Thick blue coming down. So 3 of the 4. Down pressure with green on top. So this is a point. Again, our problem is it's the euro and it's a bank holiday in Europe today. Pound New Zealand, not a holiday in Great Britain. So, all right. This is actually even a little better than this guy. What makes it better? The lines are steeper. The green line is steeper. All the lines are clustered. When all the lines are clustered, that's stronger. He's just a little bit past the green line. He's just a little past the halfway mark. So I'll consider that. So we've got 4 points here. 2 orange lines, thick orange and thin orange going up. Thick blue coming down. So I've got 3 of the 4 here. When blue comes down, that is telling me buy. I've got sideways pressure with green on top. So that's a point, 4 points, 3 points. So pound New Zealand. So there's a second step to determine if I want to take this trade. So let's go to the second step. I'm going to look at a full chart for the pound New Zealand dollar. Pound New Zealand dollar is already up. I want on the 2-hour chart. So rather than having multiple pairs on a 1-hour chart, this is just the pound New Zealand, but with different time frames. So a 2-hour chart, a 4-hour chart, an 8-hour, 12-hour day chart. I want to see on the 2-hour chart and the 4-hour chart that we are oversold. And we are. We're touching oversold sideways, and we just about got to oversold here. So that is good enough for me. And the reason I want both of these guys oversold is that if the 2 and the 4-hour are oversold, there's less of a chance of us getting stopped out. Because when these are oversold, it's going to start going back up soon. So it doesn't matter that they're kind of going down here because they're oversold. This one's already started to turn. This one hasn't yet. So on this trade, we need to figure out how much the trade is worth. On some of the trades we do, it's a predetermined take profit. Like on the overnight trade, on the Euro USD, it's 11 pips. This trade, we need to figure it out. So let's look at a clean chart and figure it out. So pound New Zealand dollar. So here is a clean chart. It just has the candles on it. I'm going to drop some support and resistance in because the support and resistance are going to help me determine how far I can go. So support and resistance are spots where the candles seem to naturally stop. So they seem to stop in here. They seem to stop in here, right in here. And let's give an upper bound. And on a 1-hour chart, these tend to be about 30 or 40 pips apart. You can see right in here, over here, over here. I'm going to make this bigger now. I have it smaller there so that we get more data points. But now I want to take a look. So we are, hold on here a second. Let's do a save. So we were looking at a buy. So 2760 to 2779. So that's about 20 pips. Our issue here is that we are bumping into this resistance line. I want to trade within this channel, and we are hitting this. I do not want to trade through this channel because I want to get in and get out within 1 to 3 hours. Because you can see it's gone up and hit it, come back, went up and hit it, came back, went up and hit it. So I don't want to trade through this because I want to get in and get out. And we are just hitting it now. So there's not enough pips here to make it worth our while. So I'm going to pass. So let's keep going and see what else we have. Pound New Zealand dollar, New Zealand dollar, yen. It's evening in both of these markets. Gold, dollar. We're not going to trade the dollar this morning because of the news. Euro, Swiss franc. We're sideways. Plus, there's the holiday in both of those markets. Australian Canadian dollar oversold, kind of sideways. Swiss franc yen disagreement. Euro yen disagreement. Australian dollar or pound Australian dollar overbought going up. New Zealand dollar, Swiss franc, we're more than halfway. Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. Again, we're a little bit more than halfway, plus we've got the holiday in Switzerland. All right, so we have just gone through 24 pairs and didn't see anything we liked. The other day we used a different trade, a little scalp trade, the thick orange line trade. Let's see if we have that this morning. Thick orange line trade. The thick orange line is this guy, and it's a scaled line. So when the line is as low as it can go, this is at 0. When it's as high as it can go, it's at 10. When it is at 10, it thinks there's no more up in the movement. If there's no more up in the movement, that's a good time to sell. If it's at 0, it thinks there's no more down in the movement. If there's no more down in the movement, that's a good time to buy. So we're looking for situations where this is 0 or 10 or within one point of either end. So this is in 5s in the middle. 0.25, that's within 1 of 0. Then we confirm it by looking at what the position of the red line is here. And I want the red line to be below this red line, and it's not. This is still telling me there's down in the move, even though this guy says there's no more down in the move. 10, all right? 10 is as high as we can go, and the red line is above. Red line is above the blue line. So I've got both criteria. There's less than 5 minutes, or we want to take this one. There's 5 minutes left in the hour. There's 6 minutes right now. So we're going to go ahead and take a sell on the pound Australian dollar for, let's see if we got that pound Australian dollar. I don't see it. So file, new chart. Don't see it there. Let's go in this group. Pound. Australian dollar. Here he is. Pound Australian dollar. I am going to take a sell. I'm going to make it a 1 hour chart, so I'm looking at the same thing. I'm going to take a sell. Right click. Go to modify. This trade is worth 5 pips, 50 points. I'm going to click the blue button that does the math. Because of the accuracy of this trade's accurate 90% of the time. I can use a 4-to-1 stop loss. And I'll right click the right guy. And then modify. It's going to drop the support and resistance here. And I want to make sure I get the full 5 pips. So I'm going to just go to modify. We got in at 86.60. So I want to go to 86.60, 86.55. 86.55, 55.6. So we took a sell on the Great Britain pound, Australian dollar for 5 pips using the thick orange line trade with a take profit of 1.86556 and a stop loss of 1.86821. And we are going to expect this trade to close within the hour. What happens is when we see this at 10 and the red line above the blue line, it's like pulling a rubber band. So when the clock changes here and a new candle starts, there's like a little snap, and that little snap will usually generate a 5 pip move. Let's see if we've got anything else. So 5 isn't close enough. 5 isn't close enough. 2 isn't close enough. And again, we've got the constraint that we've got holidays in Europe. No. I'm looking for 0 or 10 or within 1 point of either. No, we're not close enough. No, I'm looking 0 or 10. 0 or 10. Nope. And we're at 10. And the red line is above. But again, our situation here is we're on the US dollar. US dollars got news coming up. And this one's a little bit different. The red line is above, but the red line's been above the last 8 hours. Usually I want it coming up from below, and then the red line's above, and then it's going to start coming back down. But because we get the news, we're not going to do this one. No. But technically, this is the trade. And but again, we're not going to do it. The rules are in place. We've been doing it. We've got to respect our process, respect our rules. So let us go back. And while we were talking, the trade we just took closed. So we got our 5 pips even before the hour. Usually, what I like to see is when the clock changes, this number will change by 1. And you can see the red is pulled back a little bit. This is like the minimal of where I like to have it. So some people actually wait till the clock changes to take the trade. I don't. If the red line was high enough up that I felt comfortable in it, and they wanted to see this number go down by 1 when the new clock comes up. So I'm guessing it's going to go to about 8.5 once this changes. But we did. So we took a trade this morning. We banged 5 pips out of it. You want to learn a trade? Find somebody who's good at it. Get them to teach you. It's well worth the investment. The money you'll save by not making mistakes, and having the ability to put out questions that expedite your speed of learning is very important. All right, let's take a look here. Going to change. And bingo, 8.5, which is what I said. All right, have a great day. We'll see you this afternoon. Bye-bye.